Well, we're here at the Tampa Train Show. It's June of 2019. This is one of the two big shows they have every year, one in June and one before Christmas. And we set up to our largest extent here with all our panels clamped together. And we're having fun running things. It's Sunday. Oh, here's a rare find. Nice going. Did you get a deal on it?
145.
145
no,
for the rocket set. Well, that's a pretty fair. Do you have you run it yet?
Yeah, but I need to tweak it.
Oh yeah, well obviously they all need oil, you know, when they've been sitting. A cleaning and a little oil. Yeah. Well, I bought a Comet from him that's real nice. That's a 2-engine one though, or 2 motors. Oh yeah. Well, now I'm running that Casey Jones, the number 68 version that's got the smoke unit in it, and I just bought it here yesterday, and it wouldn't run. We put it on the track. I bought it and came over here, put it on the track, wouldn't run, and so last night I cleaned the wheels and gave it some oil, and I got it loosened up. It was just tight from sitting. Apparently Chris was going to run his Franklin engine, I think, with these old-timey cars, but he just had a coupler problem, and so we decided we'll put this Casey Jones on instead. But anyway, we're enjoying our second day of this large train show here in Tampa, and I hope you enjoy the video.